Wow, if I was a good streamer, that would have been an epic intro to switch scenes on, but I'm totally not. Howdy, everyone. Good weekend. Hope everyone's doing okay. I'm turning on the light. I'm getting there. I gotta figure out why my key light no longer syncs to my Stream Deck. That would be a good thing to figure out at some point. But howdy, hopefully everyone's doing all right. We're gonna build our alpha today. I'm hoping that it's gonna work. My fingers are crossed. I haven't tested it at all. Am I dropping frames? Am I here? Is everything working? Okay, no, you see me. That's good. Well, hopefully that it's not going to be too quiet of a stream, but we're just going to jump into it because I want to get some shit done. So let us open up Unity. And I've just updated and patched the project because there is a huge security vulnerability that was patched out in October, I want to say. All right, let's get this up and running. What's going on in Discord? There we go. Is Unity not auto switching on me? Is it because I've updated things? Let's double check to make sure my auto switcher is working. Very important for streaming. No, my auto switcher is not working at all. Interesting. Automatic scene switcher, advanced scene switcher. Where are you? What is happening? Okay, Riders opening. Unity is not because it is a... Okay, that works. All right, let me fix this for a second. I gotta go to automatic scene switch. No, that's the wrong scene switcher. I go advanced scene switcher. Let me expand this. Oh, what? Okay, there's a weird bug in it. That's okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not showing you what I'm doing here, but it is, I don't know, maybe I could show you what I was doing. Let's see if I go to this view. So I'm working through this advanced scene switcher here. I don't have a face cam here, but if you look at the left-hand side, just on this, when I was making it bigger, it just disappears. There's like a bug in that panel. And now I can't click it. So it's just kind of like going back and forth on that. We got face cam back up here. Unity Coder. Oh boy. Thank you for the 2 bits. I appreciate it. You could try to pretend. You could try to pretend that it's more. But honestly, it's all good. I'm not going to stress about it. I appreciate the 2 cents. Is it a no? Yeah, every bit is a cent, I believe. All right, auto switcher is now working. Awesome. That's what I wanted. I'm always going to appreciate it. If you want to throw pennies at me, I'm still going to appreciate it. I'm not at Kai Cenat levels where I'm not going to acknowledge getting pelted by pennies. And those are American pennies, I imagine. So when we transfer that over, it is going to be a couple. But I appreciate the support, Unity Coder. More than anything, I appreciate that you're always hanging out. You're OG. You've been with me for a very long time. And so I appreciate you. All right, go to scenes. We're going to go scene start. I'm just going to I'm going to just play the game. Well, one, I'm like really thirsty, and so I'm probably going to get something to drink. More than anything right now. Jittery, oh. I got excited. I'm like, oh, first time chatter. Get out of here. You're out of here. You're banned. Out. Get out. Okay, I'll be right back. I need a drink. A little Red Bull, a little caffeine in my system goes a long way. Oh, music stopped. Okay, so the goal for today is one, we want to build an alpha. So make sure the project is building properly for Windows. 2, I would like to see if I could get some analytics through maybe Steam stats and see if it's like useful. So those will be my two goals for today. Create a build, make sure it works. 2, explore the opportunity to maybe put some data into the game so I can see as people are playing it if they're getting stuck anywhere. I think that'll be really interesting. So those are the 2 things we're going to try to do within the next, 40 45 minutes or so. Maybe I play with sound. I'm going to change this this music. Okay, why isn't my settings? Why can't I? Jesus Christ, it's like always a problem. What is going on? What happened? Oh no. Okay, I updated the project. I think something broke with the I think something's broken. Shit, that's really disappointing. What did I break by updating the Unity project? One, I think the event manager's maybe not working anymore. Something around blocking is no longer working because... Okay. I will explore that. Oh, and I forgot to change the time. Okay. Let's change a few things in settings. $60 seconds? I think 60 seconds might be too brutal. I'll do 65. Okay, let's try that again. And I should take some notes here. Arrow keys menu. Arrow keys not working. Arrow keys are doubled. Main scene settings. Input is no longer blocked. Okay, just taking note for myself here so that I could reference it as we kind of go through things in play. Okay, back into it. Kind of annoying that just updating the project breaks things. I mean, I think 60 seconds is totally beatable. That's probably the time I want to go at. I'm at 59.8. Like, it's hard, but it's doable. It's like theoretically 60 words per minute. Like, that's not so hard. Shit. What happened there? Oh no. Day. Oh no. Okay. I got really silent there because it does get pretty intense. I might need to... I might need to put back my my cheats so that I'm able to skip a couple levels if I want to keep testing things. He looks so dumb. Who, me? Probably. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna add back in the cheat. Cappuccino anti-simp. Am I a pro? A pro of what? I'm not a pro at game dev. I'm a hobbyist. And multiplayer replication system? Nope. Multiplayer replication system. What are you working on with multiplayer? Okay, I think everything is working except for the menu system, so let us try to figure out what is happening. Okay, that's all fine. It might be how the scenes are. It might be the scene manager. We set up the button navigation here. And if I go to input handler on up arrow, on down arrow, up and down, we do invoke a, I'm going to remove these old method names. We invoke an event, which you get picked up by a menu handler here. Let me just double check where we are registering. Select resolution menu. I do appreciate when first time chatters come in and say that I look dumb. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for coming. Okay, let me test over here. Debug.log. I'm just gonna throw debug in here. To see if that's even happening. I think that's a good first start. Without going too far down the rabbit hole, I hope it's not too much of a big deal because I don't want to be spending the whole flippin' day. Yeah, it's not registering. So why is that? Register settings, hotkey events. On menu open, on menu close. We're going to put a debug log here. We'll log this out as well. And then let me also check our menu handler. Holy crap, we're already 30 minutes in. We're gonna run an ad in about a minute. Not because I want your pennies, although I'll take them. Simply because I don't want new folks to get hit with pre-rolls, which absolutely suck. We could all agree that we probably hate pre-rolls more than anything in this world. Well, on Twitch at least. So if you want to dodge the ad and keep hanging out, listening to music, you could check if you have a Twitch Prime. Click the subscribe button and there's a checkbox to subscribe for free using Twitch Prime. And yeah, if you have it, great. If you want to use it for me, also cool. But I would just say use it on someone because it's money that goes away every month. You don't get it back. You don't get to bank it. So spend it, support a small streamer. Oops, debug.log. We're gonna open it. No, I don't care about that. Let's just open menu. Okay, adding some logging out to further troubleshoot the issue. Hopefully it'll help us see what's happening. Deregistering settings hotkey events. Okay, this seems to be working, kind of. Okay, but we deregister when we close. Maybe this is not a packaging issue. It might just be I'm a dummy and introduced a bug type of issue. Are you a pro at game dev and multiplayer replication system? So I think register settings, hotkey events, and I think if scene manager, get active scene, scene start, I think we just return. We don't. Oh, sorry. This is wrong. We're just not going to On deregister, we will return. And just not deregister the event, not do that here. But I'm registering them twice. Okay. Is there a way for me to see if an event is already registered? Can I ask it differently? Deregister first, and then I don't know. Oh, this is such a bummer that we're still working on the settings menu. It hurts my soul. All right, we don't want this here. Sorry, that's okay. Like, I guess it just doesn't hurt, but we're wasting cycles for sure. Settings. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Right, because I have this in here. What a pain in the ass. Okay. Fixed, kind of. Okay. Now things are way over registered, and is it blocking? Yes, I think so. Except for the back. Back is not blocking, okay. That'd just be a race condition. Okay, let me just... That's fixed. That's fixed. Not fixed. Just be when backing out of menu is not working. Is not blocking. Okay, so I think this might be in our project. in project settings, input manager, I think input manager, horizontal, left, right, vertical, navigation button. So let me remove the navigation buttons. I'm not sure if it's that. Submit, cancel. Let's just test it out. Sorry, y'all, you can't see that screen, but I was just inside the input manager settings. So let's start. Okay, right now it's not registered. Opening settings menu, registering settings hotkey. Yeah, why is it doubled? Or is it? No, that looks okay. But going down, we skip the menu. Is my navigation off? Let's look at the navigation. Where is my settings? Settings menu canvas over here. Main settings canvas over here. So my sound button goes directly to restart. Okay, so that means I just registered them wrong. Okay, that's not a big deal. That looks to be working. Okay. I think it's mostly okay. Backing from the sound or resolution does not select a default button, and misclick. Mapping on level 1 skips the restart button. So that is an easy fix because we could just, it's all in code. Right at the top here. And in level 1, scene level 1, resolution goes to sound button goes to, should go to menu button. Back up to resolution button. Menu button goes to sound button button goes to main button, main back down goes to main back button goes up to restart button, resolution. Easy. Fixed. I'll check that, but preemptively, but I'm pretty sure that will work. Yeah, okay, there we go. We'll check what happens on the leaderboard. Let's give it a couple more seconds here. We are streaming every single day this month. Okay, let's see here. That loads. Okay, sound skips the menu button. Great. I thought I tested all this, so I don't know why it's kind of wonky. Could have sworn I tested it. Let's look at the code. Scene start. If scene start. Scene game over. Okay, I guess I didn't set it at all. Now I just need to remember what were the options that I had. This song goes hard. Resolution, sound, menu. Back. Resolution. If you go up, it goes to the back button. And then going down, it goes to sound. Sound button goes up to resolution button, which goes down to menu button. The menu button goes up to sound button. Does not go to restart, it goes to the main back button. Then main back button goes up to menu button. Goes up to menu button, goes down to resolution button. Okay. And I think that is the same for this scene, which we could test out, I'm pretty sure, directly here. Big Duck Kiefer, how you doing, buddy? Keith, how you doing, dude? Sound menu. Why is the menu being skipped? Menu. How did I F that up, that it's being skipped? Bro, hacking into the mainframe for real? For real. What did I do wrong? Let me just try that again. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm taking a break between dad chores as well. Okay, resolution sound menu. What the frick? Resolution. Up to main back button, down to sound button. Sound button. Up to resolution button, down to menu button. The menu button is here. Why is it... Menu button. Something else is up. What is wrong with you, the menu button? I could check the... If I go to the canvas here, go to... Where's my settings canvas? I feel like I need to wear glasses. It's so hard to see. Where is my... Event system, leaderboard, letter parent. Yo. Oh, it's in settings menu. Canvas here. Sound button. Sound button should go to... It doesn't. Sound button is registered to restart button. But there's no restart button. Excuse me. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I'm in the right spot. Let me just read the code and double check what the hell's happening. Okay, we register the escape button event. We do some fuckery around registering the restart button event. Hotkey event. Disable button. There is no restart button. It is disabled in the settings menu. Okay, that's fine. Disable restart button main screen. Cool. Restart button. We're going to rename this. Restart button main screen. And perhaps we're going to put all this inside of here. No. Else. We could put it in an else. And then we're setting up the button navigation, which should be all good. Debug.log. Set up button navigation for end scene. Let me do that. Let me then also just make it all empty in the actual settings here. Because maybe that's overriding it. All right, there is an ad starting in a couple of minutes. It's not because I like your pennies and I'm greedy for your pennies. It's basically just so that new folks coming in do not get hit with pre-rolls. But if you have your Twitch Prime, consider using that free money to support me. Oh, now I broke something. Oh, there is no navigation. Okay, so something is not setting up the navigation. Let me save. Let's go scene start. Let's just, it might be the way that it's getting loaded. Anyways, yes, Twitch Prime. If you got Twitch Prime, use it on me. If you don't want to use it on me because you're like, this guy doesn't deserve the money, go use it on someone else if you have it. Don't let it go to waste, because if you don't think I deserve it, God knows that Jeff Bezos definitely doesn't deserve it. Like 100%, he doesn't deserve it. Okay, I think this is working now. It's probably just because of how I'm starting the scene. So that gets registered. Good shit. We're already out of time, which is insane. That, once again, I'm here spending cycles on this gosh darn settings menu. Let's go to like the end. Let's the game over scene to see what happens and make sure that it's working. Easy to die. Okay, I think we're good. I really want to wash my car. So, you know, like I'm wondering if I want to continue to hang out. But okay, let us just create a build. Can I not get rid of the... Okay, I can't get rid of the builds with Unity, unfortunately. Let's just build and run. Let's go for it. Let's see how it plays. New folder. Let me switch to my game scene. Pretty rad. Let's go to sound. I'm just going to turn the sound off because I already have sound playing. What is that thing that's loading in the... Looks like it's loading. What is that? Video. Oh, okay. Leginger Dev, how you doing? I think I can't turn it off completely. Oh, I can't turn sound off completely. I probably wanted to be able to do that. That's a bit of scope creep. Give me some of your positive vibes. I'm in a foul mood. No, dude, what's going on? I'm glad that I have the positive vibes. I'm not always, I'm not always Mr. Positive. Especially when I'm spending so much time on this damn settings menu. And like, okay, well, whatever. Why do you have been sorry. Ben Cloward got laid off? Who? What? Laid off of what? I don't know who he is. Unity. He got laid off of Unity. Out of Unity. Just money and client trouble, so in a down period and panicking, just had to throw 150 euros to fix something stupid on Ryanair because their money grubbing, like change fees. Okay, I don't like how the settings letters look. I'll fix that later, but otherwise, I think the sound worked. What happens if I go to leaderboard? Cool. Menu. What if I change the resolution? Oh. Hey, that works. That's kind of cool. It started off at the wrong resolution, but all right. Double check starting resolution, or default to the right resolution in menu. That to-do list just keeps growing. Well, I'm sorry that you lost money. Ryanair, as a economy airline, I guess, that is their business model. It's effing cheap for the bare minimum if all you need is the bare minimum, and they're going to charge you for all the little extras. Whereas if you go with someone like, I don't know, Lufthansa, you're probably paying more on your ticket, but you're probably going to get nickeled and dimed a little bit less. So, I mean, look at it in the way, depending on like what happened, look at it as if like, hey, you're probably still saving because you could have been flying with, if you're flying with a higher end airline, they'd be charging you more. Silver lining. But obviously really kind of shitty if you're also having work issues where money is not readily available. Ooh, I forgot to turn off the cheat code. But things look good. No, don't die. I mean, man, it looks so smooth when I'm actually out of the Unity editor. Kind of nice. Oops. Hey, you know what? We could just restart. How nice would it be if there's like a background with like stars and it's like a parallax effect? I mean, I think things look good. I'm not happy with like the font here and like that weird background fade. I could probably figure that out. Graphics wise, I could probably do some updates, but oh, why is that so fast? Why is that so fast? The issue was, since my wife got married, she hasn't flown. We've driven everywhere, so I autopiloted last month on the tickets. So to change more than 3, that is kind of absurd. So the fact that it was like the name was mistyped, they're charging you 150 admin fee to change the name on the ticket. That's fucked. I'll take a look at the media share in just a second. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Why were things all fucky? Open. Win, lose, win. East, west. Almost got there. Never mind. I just want to double check this. How fast things are moving here. That's slow. Let me just do this then. Wet, good. Let me do a restart. Let's go all the way back to this. Is it because we're restarting and not setting the values? No. Okay. Hey, I don't know. I think I'm able to release this to alpha testers, and you guys could start trying it out again, and give me your feedback. I wanted to see. I'm not going to do it today because we're a little bit out of time. But I do want to. Oh, have I not been showing the game? I have not been showing the game. I'm sorry, guys. My auto switcher switched me up. But yeah, I want to see if I could put some analytics in the back end so that I could see how people are getting through it. But I'll post in Discord about the alpha program if anyone wants to give it a go. All right, let's go take a look at Discord. What did you share? Ooh. That looks really nice, dude. That looks really nice. Ooh, look at that menu. That's beautiful. That's nice, dude. I'm so jealous. That looks amazing. That looks all really, really good. The graphics, the sprites are beautiful. I'm so jealous that that is 3 days worth of work. That's insane to me. That makes me feel so dumb. Very cool. Very nice. I like this a lot. I like how it's glowing. That looks so good. I know that's probably pretty easy to do, but it just looks really good. The sprite is really nice. Actually, no, I don't know if that's easy or hard to do. It seems like there is a bit of a real lighting effect, right? Because every time you click it and it gets brighter, there's a bit of a shadow happening here at the bottom. Very nice, dude. Very, very nice. Yeah, I gotta like pop on to your stream next time I see you live. I don't know where we're going today though. Oh, okay, someone made it for you. Yeah. That goes a long way when someone's helping. Alrighty, I am out of here. I appreciate the weekend support. Obviously, I'm not usually streaming on the weekend, so having you guys come on in and hang out is pretty damn cool. We're gonna go and raid. I'm gonna go throw a raid over to Red Cabin Games. I think what he's working on is pretty cool. It's part of the indie game developers group. The Ginger Dev, I will catch you next time. Unity Coder, thank you so much for your support as always. And, ooh, is he playing something or is this his game? It looks really good. Oh, I think it's his game. And catch me in Discord. I will share the details if you guys want to play the alpha of Typing Stars. And I'm trying to finish this out because I want to work on some other stuff. So I think the goal is to have this done by probably like end of November, before Christmas. And we can maybe do some other stuff. Obviously, we're streaming every single day this week, or sorry, every single day this month. 31 days of streaming, so we have some stuff happening. The calendar is over in Discord as well. And don't forget, around November, is it November 9th or 10th or 3rd or whatever, is the going to do a 24-hour stream as well. But I'll share more details as we get a little bit closer to that and what that schedule looks like as well. I'm taking ideas of, hey, what should we play and what are some options for us there. So once again, thank you all for hanging out. I'm going to go raid Red Kami Games. Have yourself a good rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend. Ginger Dev, I hope things get better today. Go get some fresh air. That always does help. A little exercise doesn't hurt. All right, catch you later. Bye, guys.